Hey people, look where I am. I'm at the banks of the River Ganga and it is 5:45 in the morning, and basically we are waiting to catch the sunrise here. And I'm told there are people, it is freezing. Like I had a bath back in the hotel, but there are people who will have a bath here by the River Ganga, which is like icy cold. And because it's dark, I can't really show you much, but I'm lucky that my dad and my sister are here with me, because it's quite dark. Like it is yet the sunrise is yet to happen. And honestly, I really didn't think we'd be able to catch the sunrise, because so cold, yeah, biting cold, but we managed to make it on time. And then let's see, maybe once we're on the boat, I'll do another recording. See, that's another some set of people going. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.